Withdrawing money from your Chime account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete your transfer. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime mobile app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your funds. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once in the app, look for the Move Money or Transfer option. This is typically found on the home screen or in the menu. Step 3. Select Withdraw to Bank. Choose the option to withdraw funds to your external bank account. You may need to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to transfer from your Chime account to your bank account. Double check the amount to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your withdrawal and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification or email confirming that the transfer is in process. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer to be completed, which may take a few business days.